everybody, James Clingerman from the Fight Hub, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you a bunch of techniques off of what I call the BJJ modified overhook, or the gi wizard. So thank you so much for taking your time and viewing this. Hopefully it'll add something to your game. Maybe it'll inspire you to develop further techniques off of the BJJ modified overhook. There's an old saying in wrestling that underhooks rule the world, and you know, really with the gi on, that's definitely not true. We have the wizard in wrestling, the overhook in wrestling. What I want to show with this set is that using this lapel, using the gi with the overhook, we can be very, very, very offensive from all aspects of grappling. Okay, so from guard bottom, guard top, standing, from the turtle, it doesn't really matter. So guys, thank you again so much for viewing this, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks again.